6:59 p.m. on a beautiful Saturday afternoon, October 4th, 2025. We're at the Metra Milwaukee District West line station of Elgin, Illinois. We just saw a Metra train departing Elgin, headed to Chicago Union Station with being propelled by an awesome Metra SD70MACH locomotive. More about that in a minute. And here we have a SD70MACH languishing here at Elgin for the weekend. This is the Metra Elgin subdivision. West of here, it becomes a subdivision of the Canadian Pacific Kansas City Railroad, which runs the freight trains over this line. The station was built by the Milwaukee Road, the Chicago, Milwaukee, St. Paul, and Pacific in 1947. This was the east-west main line of the Milwaukee Road. Let's go down to the other yard here. It is 88 degrees Fahrenheit here this afternoon. Also languishing here in the Metra yard at Elgin, Illinois, is a trusty F40PH locomotive manufactured at the Electromotive Division General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois plant, where my career was based. In a minute, I'll tell you some information about the SD70MACHs in the Elgin, Illinois. Let's have another look at this SD70MACH. They were beautiful, awesome. I took Metra out here from LaGrange Road, LaGrange, Illinois, for the St. Charles Singles Club Taste of Chili event at a park just south of here in South Elgin, Illinois, along the Fox River. Right behind Metra here, you can't see it for the trees, but there is the Fox River. There goes a PACE bus. And that structure in the distance is the Elgin Transportation Center, used by PACE, P-A-C-E, buses on 12 different routes to local destinations here in the Elgin area.